Hey, it's Tips with Tom, and today we're going to talk about tape measures. So, in any project, accurate measurements are the key to a good project. So, start with a good quality tape measure and make sure you use the same tape measure through your entire project.
Remember, it's always a great day in the millwork business.
So, how do you use a tape measure? It's kind of easy. Take your hook end of your tape, place it into the corner, and then pull your tape out to where you want to measure, knowing that all of the big numbers are inches, and in between each inch is denoted by a black line, which is a 1/16. So, you may want to brush up on your fractions when using a tape measure. One of the interesting things about tape measures, though, is that every 16 inches is a red mark, which typically denotes a stud inside of a wall. One of the other neat tips you can do is, instead of measuring into a corner and bending your tape measure down and getting a rough measurement, you can simply take your tape measure, back it into the corner, read the tape here, and then add the case to the final measurement. It'll give you a more accurate measurement for cutting a trim. Thanks, and have a good day.